Hi guys, welcome back. Another boxing video. I have no clue what's in here. Like seriously, someone put it in here. Unbox it. It's from my house. I think that unboxing video. That's why I call it. If you saw my last video, it has views. You're watching this video because I want you to get a hint of what I'm gonna do. So guys, gently tear the box like this. Cut the tape like you would do with any ordinary box. Okay. My hand in. Okay, so I'm looking at the pencil. I have this pencil for a hand, like seriously. It's thicker than a pencil. Has a lid. Yes. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna leave. It's a marker. A marker. I have to say what type of marker, but I just picked regular marker where you color with. So let's see what was in the box. It was in a dry erase marker. So that's it for this video. Another unboxing video coming after this video. Part 2. If I do any other videos like this, you will hear the Fortnite music behind. So if you can hear it, There you go. Guys, that is it for this video. Ka-ching!